Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Tanushree channel. Today we will see dgate function in LibreOffice Calc. आज हम देखेंगे dgate function LibreOffice Calc में किस तरह से इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. dgate functions का सिंटेक्स है dgate bracket open database, then database field, after that search criteria. So what does dgate function does? Dgate function returns the content of the cell or field of a specific columns for a single row that matches the specific search criteria. dgate functions क्या करता है कि जो कंटेंट है कॉलम में कंटेंट है उसी को ही रिटर्न करता है, बट कोई भी एक होना चाहिए. Now the constraints are like you will get a error 502 invalid argumentation if there are multiple matches. मतलब एक से ज़्यादा मैचेस होंगे तो एरर 502 आएंगे, और हैश वैल्यू आएंगे अगर कि कोई मैच नहीं मिला तो इसमें एक ही होना चाहिए, और एक से ज़्यादा होगा तो ये एरर देगा. तो अभी हम देखेंगे हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट दिस वन. So we have our same database in which there are 5 columns and 9 rows. Okay, so we will start. We'll copy this one. Okay, now our objective is to find out the name of the person whose age is 11 years. Okay, using dgate function. So criteria I will write 11. Okay, Hmm. 11. So we'll write the function dgate bracket open database, then database field we want to get the name of the person, so name. Then what is our condition? Condition is this. Zero value, because age is, we want to find the age of the person. Correct. So ध्यान हटी दुर्घटना घटी. So age is 11. So you find if the age is 11, it is Daniel. Okay. So as I told na, you will get a hash value if no match is there. So you see 11 is not specified in grade. So that is why you are getting a hash value. We will see again. See, for example, the maximum number is in age is 11. So if I write 12 or 13, we will get an hash value. So if I write 13, you see hash value. Okay. So means there is no match. Okay. Now I will write it again as 11 Daniel. In this table, if you see, ten is also repeated twice. So what we will do is, if we will say 10, then we will find error 502. As we have told, error 502 means there are multiple such cases. That is why this error is coming. Error 502 means there are multiple criteria which is meeting the same requirement. So enough of age. Now what we will do is we will try to find the distance. So distance is 650 meters. If I write 650, Eva stays 650 meters or 650 from home. So distance to school is 650. Okay. So weight also will be same. So we will find whose weight is 51. We'll try to find using this function whose weight is 51. So we'll write below weight 51. So we'll say Charles, and here is Charles whose weight is 51. So that's all for today. We'll see you in next video.